Hello everyone. Today I want to share my cropping tool preset in Photoshop. So check this out. So if you a content creator, photographer, graphic designer, or you work on photo studio, I think you need this preset. So check this out. First you click this one, this cropping tool. Okay, you click this one and you can see this default tool preset tool, right? So I want to share my preset to you. And how to add this one, you click this one and click replace tool. But if you have your own preset, you can click load tool preset. So my preset and your preset in the same place. For example, if you never have any preset tool, you can click this one, replace tool preset. You don't save and you click this my crop tool preset and click open. Then you click this one and you can see that cropping tool preset. This is so helpful if you graphic designer only, right? Or you photographer or you work on photo studio and you can click this size. So for example, if you don't need this preset, you can click this one, preset manager. For example, you um, do not need this one, you can click delete and press OK. Delete and press OK. You can rename this file name, this preset. I mean, click this one, rename 1RJ testing preset. Right? You can click done. And you can see this one. But for example, I have told you before, if you have your own preset, you can click this load tool preset. I show you the difference. For example, I need this preset, right? So if you want to add my preset too, you can click this one, load tool preset, and go click my crop tool preset, click open, and you can see that default preset is still here, right? So how about if you want to add your own new preset tool? For example, here I add this 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, right? Sorry, 10 centimeter, right? You click this one and you click this plus icon. Do not forget to rename this so you can find it easier. 10 centi x 10 centimeter, and you can see this one, right? If you want to arrange this, you can click this preset manager again. find this and you drag to this and you can click down. See, and that's it. So if they have if this helpful, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. So see you.